Just a quick intro to tuning. I usually start on the lowest string, and this is called GuitarTuna. It's actually an app you can get on your phone. Let's start with that low E string, and it's my guitar is already in tune. But what I do when I tune is I loosen the string a little bit, get it so it's a little flat. See how it's turned into the red and it's to the left? That means flat. And then twist up until it's green. And yours might be different. It'll maybe flash green, or the whole string goes green or something. But the idea is loosen it up a little bit, bring it back up to pitch until it hits green. If you find yourself twisting quite a bit, and by that I mean a full turn, you're probably on the wrong string. And then remember, when you do the top three strings, they actually twist the opposite direction for loose and tightened. And that's it. Try to do that every time before you practice or play, and good luck.